Hello children, welcome to Max class. Hope everyone is fine and you are eagerly waiting for Max class. It's really an interesting chapter which we come across in our day-to-day life, isn't it? Okay children, as usual, let's have a thought. Success does not consist in never making mistakes. Success does not consist in never making mistakes, but in never making the same one a second time. And it is said by a great playwright, George Bernard Shaw. Okay, the same thing I also insisted. Make mistakes and see that you don't repeat it. By making mistakes, you learn many things in maths. Okay, now it's the time for you to practice by making mistakes. But don't make that mistake a second time during your exams. Okay, children? Okay, today we are going to again have a deeper knowledge on ratio, proportion and percentage. Hope by this time you will be thorough with all the basics of all these three things. And today we are going to learn little extra content that is not in our NCERT book. Are you all ready? The first problem that we are going to see today is divide rupees 536 between A, B and C in the ratio 1/5, 2 is to 2/3 is to 1/4. Okay, this is the ratio they have given. As usual, we have to simplify this to have a proper method. Otherwise, what will you do? If these three are whole numbers, you will just say, you will find the total parts and multiply by 536, isn't it? You will write it in fraction and multiply by 536. But here, each and every part is a fraction. So, first I will simplify it. How will we simplify? Yes, we have to find the LCM of 5, 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 5, 3 and 4? Yes, it is 60. They don't have any common factors. 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60. Now convert them into fractions with the same 60. So you have to multiply by 12 here, isn't it? So in the numerator also I have to multiply by 12. So we will have 12 divided by 60 is 2. Here what I should multiply by? 5 4s are 20. Here 3 is there, no? 5 4s are 20. So again in the numerator it has to be multiplied by 20. So what will I get? 40 divided by 60 is 2. Here I have to multiply by 15. In numerator also I will multiply by 15. So we will get 15 by 60. Is it clear? Now the equivalent ratio for 1/5 is to 2/3 is to 1/4 is equal to 12 is to 40 is to 15. Will you all agree with this now? Yes. Now it is easy for you to find the parts, or it will be easy for you to divide this rupees 536. So for that I have to find total parts now. What is the total parts? Add it 40 plus 12 plus 15. If you add, what will you get? 67. Okay. Now how will you find A's share? I have to find A's share. How will you find? First write it in fraction. Out of 67, how many parts should A get? A should get 12 parts. So this fraction of is written as multiplication. Of what? Yes, rupees 536. Now you have to cancel it. Divide it and cancel it. Okay, if you cancel it, you will have 167 is 67. 8 67s are 536. Okay. So if you multiply these two, you will get 96 rupees. This is A's share. Similarly, you have to find B's share. Shall we do it little faster now? How much part do B get? 40 part. Again 536. If I cancel it, it is 8. 4 8s are 32. So rupees 320 is B's share. What is C's share? You have to write the fraction. 15 divided by 67 into 536. Again 8. 15 into 8 is rupees 120. Hope it is clear. Is it clear, children? Shall we move to the next? Here is a very fantastic problem that you can see in many of your government UPSC exams or TNPSC exams, many competitive exams, even any entrance exams, you can find these kinds of ratio problems. What is given here? If A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4, B is to C is equal to 16 is to 27, find A is to C. Okay, I will write this A is to B as A by B is equal to 3 by 4. Similarly, I can write B by C as 16 by 27. Okay, what is my target? I have to find A is to C, that is A by C. How will I get A by C from these two? If I write like this, will you all agree? A by C is equal to A by B into B by C. Yes, see here, if I cancel these two, I will get again A by C. So, instead of writing A by C, I can write A by B into B by C. Is it clear? So, now substitute what is the value for A by B? 3 by 4. That's what is given in question, isn't it? Okay. Into what is B by C? 16 by 27. Now cancel it. 4 4s are 16. 1 3 is 3. 9 3s are 27. 4 by 9. So the ratio for A is to C is 4 is to 9. This is one method of doing this. But I am going to teach you another shorter method that will be still more easier for you. Okay. See here, what are the letters we have? A, B and C. We have to find ratios for A, B and C. Okay, even here they may ask you to find the ratio for A is to B is to C also. Okay. In such case, you can make use of this shortcut method. This is a shortcut method, but the logic behind this is the same thing that I have taught you now. Okay. This will be easier for you to give the answer fast. Okay. What is A is to B? 3 is to 4. Write it as it is. What is B is to C? 16 is to 27. Right below B, 16 is to, what is C? 27. Okay. Now, in shortcut method, I am going to do some extra fittings. That extra fittings will be in different color now. Okay. See. This, whatever number is here, the same number I have to place it here. Even if you have some D, extra D's or E, you have to have same for throughout. Okay. But for your class, I am teaching up to A is to B is to C alone. But it is applicable even if this ratio is extended to n number of shares. Okay. And here, I should write the same 16 in previous places. Okay. Is it clear? If I have D also, we will have C is to D. Again, we will have one more line. Okay. Now, let me do only with A is to B is to C. Hope you understood. This is what is given in question. These two are extra things that I have placed. Now, multiply these two. 27 into 4. 7 4s are 28. 2. 4 2s are 8. 10. Is to 16 4s are 64. 16 3s are 48. Now, what is our objective? I have to find A is to C. So, I will write 48 is to 108. Sorry, 108. So this 48 is to 108 can be written as in division. Now cancel it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. Again, 12 2s are 24, 27 2s are 54. Again in 3 table, 4 3s are 12, 9 3s are 27. So what is A is to C now? 4 is to 9. We got it easily now. Isn't it? So, only thing is you have to write the same thing, multiply it and get the ratio. Am I clear, children? Okay. And of the same model, I have given you 2 homeworks now. Okay. You have to find A is to B is to C. Okay. Next question is the side of a triangle or in the ratio of this. The first model that I have taught you. Okay. It is about splitting it the perimeter. Okay. Or in the ratio. The sides are in the ratio. This is one side. This is another side. This is another side. And they are ratios or in fractions. Okay. Hope you understood this question and you will do it. The next question is, any guesses, children? Do you think it's a very different question? 3A, 5B, 4B. No ratio symbol itself, ma'am. But we have to find the A is to C. How? It's very simple. This is how they twist you, children. See here, with the first step, 3A is equal to 5B. By transposing in an equation, it's an equation in 2 variables, isn't it? So I can transpose. How I am going to transpose? I am going to transpose B and then 3 to this side. How it gets transposed? See, it is in multiplication here, isn't it? So when it comes to this left hand side, it is in division. Similarly, here we will have 5 by 3. Now can I write A is to B is equal to 5 is to 3? Yes, we can write. Similarly, when we come to this question, very simple question. The thing is that they have given it in a different way. You should recall the concept that we learnt in simple equation also. Okay, that's all. One simple change. Other thing you can do. Okay, now B, this has to get transposed to this side. So we will have B by C. Here 6 will be as such. This 4 will take its position in the denominator. It gets transposed. So what is B is to C? It is 6 is to 4. Now as per the shortcut method, A is to B is to C. What is A is to B? 5 is to 3. What is B is to C? 6 is to 4. What should I do now? I have to do the same copying here. Let me do that copying in different color. Okay. Yes. Here we will have 3. Here what should I write? 6. Now multiply. Only that extra fitting I am doing it in another color, but I forgot now previous time. Okay. 5 6 are 30. 6 3s are 18. 4 3s are 12. What is our objective? I have to find A is to C. A and is to C alone. So I will take 30 by 12. A by C is equal to 30 by 12. Now simplify. 10 3s are 30. 4 3s are 12. Again 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. So what is A is to C now? 5 is to 2. Am I clear? Okay. So children, let us continue in next video.